Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting video lined up for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss what are Python data types. Python data types represent the kind of value that says what operation can be performed on particular data. It defines what type of data we are going to store in a variable. The data stored in memory can be of many types. For example, an employee's mobile number is stored as a numeric value and his or her address is stored as alphanumeric characters. In programming, data type is an important concept. Python has various built-in data types which we will discuss in this tutorial. First one is numeric, wherein there are three types of data type: int, float, complex. Okay. Python numeric data types store numeric values. Number objects are created when you assign a value to them. For example, A1 equals to 2, A2 equals to 20, right? A3 equals to 40.7. Basically, Python supports 4 different numerical types. Integer, there is long data type as well. Float and complex. So let's see what is int. Int, you can see A1 is defined with value 2, A3 it is 40.7, it is float type variable. Actually, a long is an integer type value that has unlimited length. For example, V4, let me take very long number, okay, and let's print it. V4, run it. You see, this is very long number. It depends on our requirement which length we are going to use in our program. The difference between short value and the long value is short value takes less memory and long value takes more memory. Is it clear? What is complex number? A complex number consists of an ordered pair of real floating point numbers denoted by something x plus y j. This is the representation of this type, okay, where x and y are the real numbers and j is the imaginary unit. So let's take one variable. Let me comment this out. V5 equals to 20 plus 4j. Let's print. V5. You see, the same value is printed on the console. This type of data type always used in scientific calculations. Now move on to our next data type, which is nothing but a string type, wherein we have only str data type. Python strings are identified as a contiguous set of characters represented in the quotation mark. Python allows for either pairs of single or double quotes. Let's see in action. V6 equals to welcome. Single quotes V7 equals to welcome again. It's printed. That's printed. V6 V7 Sonnet welcome and welcome again is printed. Next example is subsets of a string. Let's see if you want to print the first character of string, so it can be printed. You see, first character is printed. If you want to print your string from a specific position to a specific position, then we can say V6, let's say 2:4. You see, LC is printed 0, 1, 2 and 3. Alright. Another example, if you want to print your string starting from a specific position, then V6 we can say 4 colon. You see, from 4th position string is printed. Another example, if you want to print the string multiple times, then you can say multiply 2. You see, welcome and welcome, it printed twice. If you want to concatenate your string, then you can say A1, A2. So these are the strings. I want to concatenate both string in the same line and I want to print it. You can see A1 and A2 are printed together.
That brings us to the end of today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.